Hey guys, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. A question came in the Facebook group back in late September from Brian. It had to do with hiding the quick actions unless the listing is verified. And then just today, Ezekiel asked if I could do a video on the same subject to kind of help everyone out. So I thought I would do a quick, what I call a My Listing Q&A video for this. Okay, and those can be found on the website, MyListing Club website under Resources, MyListing Q&A. So that video will eventually pop up in here once YouTube does its thing and it gets pulled into this page. Okay, all right. So we'll go ahead and close this down. So here I've got just a really quick and dirty listing, and you see the quick actions here at the top. And let's just tackle the send an email quick action since that's what was asked about first. So the only thing you need to do here is just identify, well, not the only thing you need to do, but the first thing you need to do is identify the ID of the quick action you want to hide or show. So if you just hover over the send an email quick action and then right click on it and say inspect, and it's going to take you right to the one that you need. And so it's this one right here, right above what's highlighted there. So ID equals QA, etc., etc. Okay, so we are going to take a piece of code snippet, and we're going to drop that into our MyListing website. I use and recommend WP Codebox. The club has a partnership with this vendor, and so you can get a really good deal on the plugin. It's very inexpensive, but it's super powerful. And as I always like to show people, if you buy it and you have access to the cloud repository, you'll see in there's a My Listing section, and this is a lot of the snippets that I've been uploading to the repository, so you can just select it and pull it down. Okay, I'm not sure if I have one in here for this. Let me see. Type in the word hide. Let's see. No. I don't think that one's in there. Let's try one more. Let's type in action. So I'll try to remember to upload this. Yeah, okay, it's not in there. So I'll try to remember to upload it. So anyway, so all we need to do is jump in here and create a CSS snippet. So we'll just call it, just for quickness, hide QA. We'll just call it hide QA for now. And then we want to set the type to be CSS. And we can leave all of that stuff the same, and we just want to change that it loads only on the front end because we're just displaying front end stuff. Okay, so then we just drop in this code snippet. This is on the Facebook post of Brian's, but you can also just copy what I do here in the video. And if I think about it, I'll put it in the YouTube video notes. Okay, so as you see here, the code snippet has this QA ID already in it. So I'm going to go back to the website, and I'm going to grab the actual ID. So I'm just going to highlight that, copy it, and then drop it right in here. Okay, so this is just saying if it's not verified, don't show this ID. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that snippet, enable it, and let's go ahead and refresh our page. And there we go. We see that quick action is gone. Now, if we jump over to the actual listing, so this is the listing in the back end, and let's say they claimed it and it's verified, all that good stuff. So let's just manually verify it and save it. And let's go back and refresh the front end. Now that should show up, the quick action should show back up again. There it is, just like that. Okay, hope you found that useful. And again, definitely check out WP Codebox. It's a hell of a deal. Can't recommend the plugin enough. All right, Brian, if you're still having trouble or still looking for help, and then Ezekiel, hope this was helpful to everybody. All right, see ya.